Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SurveyMonkey for responsive question flows easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate SurveyMonkey for responsive question flows, start by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. Once logged in, navigate to the survey you want to edit. Click on the Edit button to enter the survey editor. Locate the Logic tab in the top menu. Select Question Logic from the drop-down options. Here, you'll find the options for creating responsive question flows. To add a new logic, click on the question where you want to apply logic. Choose Add Logic from the options available. Decide whether you want to use question branching or skip logic. For branching, select the condition for when the next question should appear. In the case of skip logic, select the question and set the condition for skipping to a specific question. Make sure to save your changes after setting up the logic. Now, continue adding or modifying questions as needed. Test the survey flow by clicking on the Preview button. Review each question to ensure the logic functions as intended. Make any final adjustments based on your test. Once satisfied, click on Collect Responses to distribute your survey. Monitor the responses to see how the question flow performs in real time. Congratulations, you have successfully activated SurveyMonkey for responsive question flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.